Before watching this video, it's essential that you check out Part 1, linked in the card above. It covers the foundations and first steps that will help you fully understand the bigger picture. Without it, you might miss key points and not get the most out of the insights in this second part. Watch Part 1 now. There's still time to get rich with AI in 2025 step by step. Then come back here to continue the journey with more clarity and strategy. Before jumping into creating flows and automated messages, you need absolute clarity on what you expect your AI agent to actually do. This is the step that turns a cool idea into a functional structure. Your AI agent shouldn't just be a bot that replies. It needs to solve a specific pain point with a clear outcome. Here's a simple logic framework to guide you. Start with one simple question. What would a successful outcome look like in this interaction? Is it scheduling an appointment, converting a visitor into a student, closing a clothing sale, sending a qualified proposal? That's your agent's end goal. Everything it does, from the first message to the last, should guide the lead toward that result. Practical examples by niche: medical clinics and private practices. Agent's goal: schedule and confirm appointments with minimal friction. AI subtasks: qualify the patient. New returning specialty. Suggest available time slots. Confirm booking and send reminders. Clothing and shoe stores. Agent's goal: drive the customer to complete the purchase quickly. AI subtasks: answer questions about size, color, price, and delivery. Suggest similar or complementary products. Send direct checkout or payment links. Online course platforms. Agent's goal: convert leads into active students. AI subtasks: understand the lead's profile or interest. Explain course benefits and how it works. Send enrollment link with special conditions. Follow up if the lead doesn't convert. Accounting firms. Agent's goal: send personalized proposals to qualified leads. AI subtasks: understand the lead's business type or profile, present services that match their needs, generate and send automatic proposals. Follow up after proposal is sent. Now that you've defined what your AI agent needs to achieve, it's time to build the path that will guide the lead to that goal. And that path can't be random. It needs to be intentional, smooth, and natural, like a real good conversation. Here's where many go wrong. They create a bot that replies to anything, but forget to guide the lead. And if the lead doesn't know where to go, they leave. How to build the ideal conversation. Flow, think of it like scripting a great customer service chat, but with more precision and purpose. Break the flow down into 3 simple blocks. 1. Warm welcome plus instant direction. Start with a clear, friendly, and direct greeting. The AI should show it's ready to help and give clear options right away. Example clinic. Hi, welcome to our clinic. Would you like to schedule an appointment, ask a question, or talk about exams? Triggers: clarity, speed, direction. 2. Gather key info to personalize the experience. This part is crucial. The AI needs to collect useful info without sounding like a boring form. Example: online course. Great. To help you better, can you tell me, do you already have experience in this area, or are you just starting out? This helps the agent understand the lead's profile, stage, and real interest. 3. Deliver the solution plus clear call to action. Based on the responses, the AI offers exactly what the lead needs and gives a clear next step. Example: accounting office. Perfect. Based on your profile, the best plan for you is the MEI Essential Plan. Shall I send the proposal to your email or WhatsApp? The lead feels heard, and now they know exactly what to do next. Before we continue, make sure to subscribe for more content like this, and hit the like button if this video has helped you in any way so far. And if even after all these insights and step-by-step guidance, you still feel fear or hesitation to follow this tutorial, or even to explore a new career path, whatever it may be, then I highly recommend watching the video we've linked at the end. Stop waiting for courage. Create with fear. It might be the shift you need to change your life starting today. Thank you so much, and I wish you success. Now that you know what your AI agent needs to do, how it should communicate, and which pain point it's solving, the most common question is, but do I need to know how to code to build this? The answer is no. Today, There are powerful, no-code platforms that let you build intelligent agents visually, connecting systems, messages, flows, and data without writing a single line of code. Here are 2 top options if you want to get started the right way. Tallyfy ideal for building sales and customer support processes with clear step-by-step logic. You can design visual workflows that simulate conversations, make decisions based on user input, and integrate with tools like WhatsApp, Slack, and CRMs. Perfect if you want something functional, results-focused, and free of technical headaches. Make, formerly Integromat. If you need something more flexible, with complex, personalized flows, Make is a great choice. It allows you to connect different apps, set conditions and rules, create branches, and automate actions based on real-time lead behavior. With it, you could capture a lead through a form, qualify them with AI, send an automatic proposal, and log everything into a CRM without touching any code. Start simple. Pick one pain point, use one of these platforms, and your AI agent could be up and running in just a few hours. There's no point in having an automation that talks the same way to everyone. If you want your AI agent to actually convert, it needs to do something most people overlook. Adapt the conversation to the lead's profile. And with AI, this is completely doable. The more personalized the interaction, the more the lead feels heard, and the closer they move toward making a decision. Here's how this works in practice. Personalized emails. The agent can send emails using the lead's name, referencing their specific question or the product they showed interest in. Tailored sales scripts. If the lead is a solo entrepreneur, the tone can be more direct and simplified. If it's a mid-sized company, the language can focus on data, security, and scalability. Same agent, different ways of speaking. Targeted offers. Based on the lead's responses, the AI can suggest exactly what makes sense for them. No generic pitches, just what they truly need. Personalization is what turns automation into connection, and connection drives sales. Creating an AI agent is just the beginning. If you want consistent results, you need to shift into continuous improvement mode. That means test, tweak, test again. Use A/B testing to figure out what actually works for your audience. Small changes can lead to big differences in performance. Here's what you can start testing. Opening prompts. Try different versions of your first message. Which one gets more replies? Which one causes the lead to stall? Sometimes changing a single word can shift the entire outcome. Segmentation criteria. Experiment with your qualifying questions. Which questions help you understand the lead better? Which ones lead to more relevant responses? Testing different ways to segment profiles can help your agent deliver sharper, more effective messages. Every conversation is a source of data. Use it. Optimize based on what your users are actually telling you, not on what you think will work. Because a good AI agent isn't the one that starts out perfect. It's the one that keeps getting better. Many AI agents work, but few are perceived as valuable. And the difference lies in your ability to show results, simply, clearly, and concretely. The client doesn't just want a bot replying to messages. They want to feel that their investment brought a return, that the automation actually made a difference. This is where you turn a one-off project into something the client wants to keep paying for, improving, and recommending. And no, you don't need fancy reports to do this. Just 3 well-presented points can clearly show impact. 1. ROI, return on investment. How much did the client invest, and how much direct revenue did the AI help generate? Whether it's more appointments, more sales, or more closed deals. Example, invested $500, generated $5,000 in additional sales. Simple, clear. 2. Conversion rates, before versus after, show the comparison. Before AI, 100 messages, 5 conversions. After AI, 100 messages, 15 conversions tripled. You can illustrate this with a simple chart or even a spreadsheet. 3. Time saved. How many hours per week did the team spend answering manually? Now that time is freed up for more important tasks, and time is profit too. You can present all of this using screenshots, Google Sheets visuals, or even a simple mini dashboard. It doesn't need to look fancy. It just needs to be clear. And here's the key. Showing results isn't the end of the project. It's the beginning of the next stage. Because when the client sees value, they want to scale. You've just seen that you don't need to know how to code to build a powerful AI agent. What you do need is clarity. Clarity about your niche, about the pain point, about the goal, and about the path to the result. With the right tools and a well-thought-out approach, you can deliver something that transforms customer service, improves client experience, and generates profit every single day. Start with a niche, map the pain, design the flow, build it, test it, optimize it, and show the results. You don't need to create the perfect AI. You just need to create the one that solves a real problem.